Good morning, student. Today we are going to see some of the concept of group 15 elements. Group 15 elements means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. These compounds are having the general configuration, that is NS2 NP3. Okay, NS2 NP3, that means 2 electrons from s orbital and 3 electrons of p orbitals are involved in bond formation. Okay, and the possible oxidation states are -3, +3 and +5. Okay, because 3 electrons from here and 3 plus 2 5 oxidation states, so -3, +3 or +5 oxidation states are possible. As we can see that nitrogen is a non-metal, phosphorus is a non-metal, this is semiconductor, this is metal, this is metal. So the metallic character increases from top to bottom. So nitrogen and phosphorus, they both will make, they are non-metal, so they will make which type of oxide? They will make acidic oxide. Okay, arsenic and antimony, they will form amphoteric oxide, and the bismuth will form basic oxide because its metallic character is maximum, so it will form basic oxide. And as we go down in the group, what we see that the size gets increases, because nitrogen is having the smallest size, then phosphorus, then arsenic, then antimony, then bismuth. So nitrogen is having the smallest size. Okay, and it is having the highest electronegativity. That is why nitrogen is showing some anomalous behavior. For example, nitrogen is having the smallest size, highest electronegativity, absence of d orbital, so because of this reason the nitrogen shows some anomalous behavior. What are the anomalous behavior that is shown by the nitrogen? The anomalous behavior is that nitrogen is forming triple bonding. In between two nitrogen atom there is a triple bonding. This is because of p pi multiple bonding. The nitrogen is able to form triple bond. That is why the bond dissociation enthalpy between two nitrogen atom is very high. That is why it is inert at room temperature. It is inert gas at room temperature. But the nitrogen single bond is very weak. The single bond between two nitrogen atom is very weak, but the bond between two phosphorus is strong. That is why this phosphorus shows some catenation property. Why it is like that? Because nitrogen is having the lone pair also. Phosphorus is also having lone pair also, but the size is less. That is why they are having more repulsion. But here the repulsion is minimum. That is why they are stable, and the phosphorus single bond is stable, and that is why it shows the catenation property. Now let us see what are the hydrides that are prepared by this. The hydrides are NH3, PH3, ASH3, SbH3 and bismuth H3. Okay, so these are the hydrides formed by the group 15 elements. Everything depends upon the dissociation enthalpy between this element and the hydrogen. Means the bond between E and H. E here is the element. This element can be nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Everything depends upon this bond. Okay, so the bond dissociation enthalpy decreases from top to bottom. That means it is highest in case of ammonia and lowest in case of BiH3. What is this? This is bond dissociation enthalpy. So because of bond dissociation enthalpy, the nitrogen is not releasing the hydrogen. That is why the hydrogen is not easily released by this nitrogen. That is why it is a weak reducing agent. So ammonia here is the weak reducing agent or weakest reducing agent, and BiH3 is the strongest reducing agent. So this is the reducing property which can be discussed here. Next property is the basicity. Basicity, ammonia is having the highest basicity. That means it is the highest basic, and bismuth is least basic. Why this is? So because the nitrogen can easily donate the lone pair which is present here. Why all these properties are showing? Because nitrogen is having the smallest size and bismuth is having the largest size. So that is why it can easily remove the lone pair. And because of this reason only the EH bond is highest. And although the nitrogen can also form a special type of bond with hydrogen, that is called the hydrogen bond. So because of this reason it shows some anomalous behavior, and the trend is like this. So based on this trend many questions can be asked in this concept. I hope this concept is clear to you, and now we are going to solve some question answer from this group 15 elements. Thank you.